If you're planning a trip to Nigeria, brace yourself, because this change is going to shock a lot of people. Why? Well, starting in 2025, Nigeria is rolling out a brand new e-visa system that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. But here's the thing, it's not going to be as simple as you think. There are some game-changing details you absolutely need to know before you jump in. This is where we grab the viewer's attention, by making them realize something impactful is coming and setting the stage for crucial details. By introducing the shock element, we create curiosity and anticipation about what makes this new system stand out from the old, cumbersome methods. In this video, we're diving deep into exactly what the new e-visa system means for you, and why it could be the biggest change to Nigerian travel in decades. From application processes to time-saving tips, you won't want to miss this. Stick around till the end. I'll be breaking it all down, step by step, to make sure you don't get caught off guard. The tease creates anticipation. Viewers know that we're not just scratching the surface. They'll get specific, valuable details they can immediately use. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply, what common mistakes to avoid, and, most importantly, what huge benefits this system can offer you. Ready? Let's dive right in. Section 1. What is the new NigeriaEVisa system? You may think you know how visa applications work, but trust me, this new e-visa system is about to flip everything you thought you knew. Here's the lowdown. So, what exactly is this new e-visa system? In a nutshell, it's Nigeria's way of streamlining the visa process. Gone are the days of standing in long lines at embassies or filling out piles of paperwork. With the e-visa system, all you need to do is apply online. Yes, you heard that right. A few clicks, and your visa is practically ready to go. Simple, fast, and easy. How it replaces the old methods. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what's different from the old system? Well, before this change, you'd have to visit an embassy, fill out a form, wait weeks for approval, and hope you didn't miss any key paperwork. All of that is about to change. With the new e-visa system, all your documentation can be submitted online, reducing processing time and eliminating the need to travel for visa applications. Whether you're heading to Nigeria for business, tourism, or even a conference, this new e-visa system massively cuts down on the hassle. No more playing the waiting game. You'll get a faster response and more flexibility. But before you rush to apply, there's a little more to know. Some important details could make or break your application. Stay tuned, because I'll walk you through those too. Section 2. How to apply for Nigeria's e-visa step-by-step breakdown. Let's get to the meat of it. How do you actually apply? The process is easier than you think, but here's the catch. If you miss a step, your application could get delayed. So, let's break it down to make sure you do it right. Start with the basics. Step 1. Go to the official e-visa portal. Don't fall for third-party sites that promise faster processing times. Stick to the official website to avoid scams. Step 2. Upload your passport and a recent passport-sized photo. Make sure the photo is clear, no sunglasses or hats. Step 3. Fill in all your details carefully. This is where things get tricky. One typo in your name or passport number, and your application could get stuck in processing. Pro tip. Here's a tip that will save you time. Double-check your passport's expiration date before you submit the form. You'd be surprised how many people get stuck because their passport is about to expire, or they didn't notice it's missing the required 6-month validity. Trust me, don't skip this. Section 3. Who can apply for the e-visa? So, who exactly can apply for this e-visa? If you're from the right country, you're in luck. But here's the thing. Not everyone is eligible for the e-visa just yet. For some, the old visa system still applies. Highlight eligible countries. If you're from eligible countries, like the US, UK, or most European countries, you can breeze through the application. The process is fast, and you won't need to step foot in an embassy. But, if you're from a country that isn't on the approved list, you'll still need to go through the traditional embassy route. And yes, that can mean longer waiting times and more paperwork. Make sure to check if your country qualifies for the e-visa. You don't want to be halfway through the application only to realize you're not eligible. Don't worry though, we'll link all the eligibility details below so you can double-check. Section 4. Advantages of the e-visa system. Real-life benefits. I'm sure you're wondering, what's in it for you? Well, let me tell you, this new e-visa system isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer. The advantages are massive. Point 1. Faster processing times. First up, let's talk speed. With the old visa system, you'd have to wait weeks for approval. But with the e-visa, you're looking at processing times that are measured in days, not weeks. Yes, you heard that right. What used to take weeks can now be done in just a few days. No more waiting around for your passport to come back. Point 2. No embassy visits. Forget the stress of embassy visits. With the e-visa, all you have to do is apply online from the comfort of your home. No long queues, no appointments, no travel required. Once you're approved, you're good to go. Point 3. Convenience for travelers worldwide. You can do everything from home. Whether you're in New York, London, or Nairobi, this system is going to save you major headaches. No more chasing down consulates or waiting for embassy office hours. This means fewer delays and a much smoother travel experience overall. Trust me, this system is going to save you hours of time, not to mention the hassle. Don't wait, take advantage of it now before more people catch on. The faster you apply, the sooner you can start planning your trip to Nigeria. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Make it relatable. Listen up. If you want this to be smooth sailing, you need to avoid these common mistakes. Trust me, you don't want to get stuck with a delayed application or unnecessary setbacks. Mistake number 1. Forgetting documents. It sounds simple, but you'd be amazed at how many people forget key documents. Maybe you didn't upload a passport photo, or you missed a page of your passport. Little things like this can get your application delayed or even rejected. Double-check your documents before you hit submit. Mistake number 2. Entering incorrect information. One wrong detail in the form, your name spelled wrong, a typo in your passport number, or the wrong birth date, and you could be looking at a delay of several days. Always double-check the information you put in. A simple mistake can cost you time and money. Mistake number 3. Ignoring application processing times. Remember, this isn't an instant process. The e-visa is faster than the old system, but it still takes a couple of days to process. Don't wait until the last minute to apply. Planning ahead is key. Apply well in advance to avoid any stress closer to your travel dates. Solution. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Stick with me, and I'll give you tips on how to avoid these mistakes and make sure your e-visa gets approved smoothly. Let's get it right from the start. Section 6. What happens after you get your e-visa? Alright, so now you've got your e-visa. What happens next? Is it really as simple as walking into Nigeria with just that? Well, almost. But there are a few things you need to know to make sure your entry is smooth. Post-approval process. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've been approved, you'll receive your e-visa by email. That's right. You don't need to wait for anything physical in the mail. Just print it out and keep it with your passport. You're good to go. It's a super simple process that cuts out all the waiting and confusion. What you'll need at the airport. When you land in Nigeria, don't just walk up to customs without being prepared. You'll need to show your printed e-visa. Customs will verify your e-visa along with your passport. They'll ask you a few basic questions, nothing too complicated, but make sure you have everything ready. Be sure your printed e-visa is clear and legible, so there are no hiccups. Get this right, and you're set. You'll breeze through the process and be ready to explore everything Nigeria has to offer. No visa headaches, no surprises. It's all about cutting through the confusion and making your travel as seamless as possible. Recap. So, what have we learned today? The new e-visa system for Nigeria is fast, easy, and a total game changer for travelers. Gone are the days of long waits and complicated paperwork. Don't miss out on these benefits. Start your application today. There's no time to waste. If you're ready to travel without the hassle of the old visa system, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest travel tips and hacks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be responding to all of them.